Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to enable the Sheets tab and the scroll bar, the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar. So if you see in this file, I am not able to view my sheet names because that is hidden, and I also not able to view my scroll bars, so I am not able to scroll this file using my mouse. So how will I enable this? So if I show you a new Excel sheet, so in every sheet you can see there is a bar which shows the tab name, the worksheet name, and there is a scroll bar, but in my working file I'm not able to view this. So I want to enable that options. So how will I do? So for that I have to go to file, and here I have to click on options, then I have to go advanced, then just scroll down. If you see this display options for this workbook, under this section you will see show sheet tabs. You have to check this checkbox, show vertical scroll bar, show horizontal scroll bar. So you have to check these buttons and click on OK. See, so once you check those checkbox, you will see the sheet names and the scroll bars. I hope you like this video. If you want to know more about the hidden sheets, you can see my other videos in my channel, which is this unhide all worksheet in a single click, and very hidden all worksheet in a single click. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.